The thing that connects me most to the bay is finding fossils. Fossil collecting for me is more than just about the fossils itself, it's my well-being. Being a teacher, I have a pretty stressful job, it's pretty hectic at times. If I haven't gone fossil hunting for a while, I just feel like something's missing. You know, I'll spend hours down at the beach. I would say that fossil hunting is directly linked to my well-being, not just in summertime, but all year round. I kind of go with no expectation. I don't expect to find fossils. Obviously, I hope that I do. I have to clamber over some rocks initially, and I go at low tide, so you see lots of rocks and shells exposed. It really is true mindfulness. I'm standing there just looking at rocks. I know the shapes that I'm looking for and the textures that I'm looking for, and if I'm lucky, something seems to just appear, and the joy and excitement never grows old. When I find a fossil, it's pure joy, and it's almost as if it's the first one that I've ever found. Fossil hunting for me is mainly the connection to the ocean. Yes, I get fossils and I love looking at my fossils and learning about fossils, but when I'm either on land or in the water, it just brings me something else that nothing else in my life does.